Hey! In front of me is Realme 10 and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this Realme. Begin by opening Settings. In them, scroll all the way down and choose System Settings. Now you need to select Keyboard and Input Method. Click on Keyboard and tap on Themes section. Now you can scroll down and click on Thermos Click, Show More to see all the available ones. Then click on the best one for you, Manage key borders and choose Apply in order to save it. So when I go back, as you can see, theme of mine has changed. But you can always go back into exactly the same settings, swipe up and click on this plus icon under My Themes. Now tap on the photo or choose to apply as your keyboard's background. Over here you need to pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then click on Next, adjust brightness by swiping left or right, tap on Done and manage key borders over here. Then hit Apply. If you wish to delete one of your keyboards, click on the chosen one, tap on this bin icon and confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you wish to edit it, tap on it and tap on this pen one instead. Then make your changes and tap on Apply again. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized within a match. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!